Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can convert Word file into PDF in just less than 1 minute. Okay, before starting, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's start. Here I have on my desktop Word file. Let me open and show you. This file is Word file. So after you are opening your file, just go to file. Okay, here click on file, then you will able to see this type of window. Then go to save as, then after choose where you want to save your file. Okay, here I want to save on desktop. Let me choose desktop, then save as type. Here is the main thing. Okay, here click on this one, then choose PDF. Okay, then automatically your file will convert to PDF. Okay, after select PDF, click save, then wait. Here we go guys, here is our file assignment PDF. As you see, already converted to PDF. Let me show you also a PDF file. Here you see, so you can convert by this step, easy step, Word file into document. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my video for future. See you next video.